You've probably heard oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts out there. But here's something most people don't know. If you eat it the wrong way, it might actually do more harm than good. Every morning, millions of people eat their oats thinking they're making a smart choice. But small mistakes can quietly mess with your energy, digestion, and even your weight. So in this video, I'll show you 7 common oatmeal mistakes that are secretly holding you back and how to fix them fast. Stick with me, because mistake number 7 is the most harmful and barely anyone talks about it. But before we jump in, tell me in the comments how old you are and where you're watching from. Let's see how many of us are taking charge of our health. Now, let's get started. Mistake number 1, eating instant oatmeal with too much sugar. This one's big. Those flavored oatmeal packets might look easy and tasty, but they're often packed with added sugar and fake ingredients. Sure, they save you time, but they spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling tired soon after. Over time, they can even raise your risk of weight gain, diabetes, and low energy. So what's the fix? Go for plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats. They're healthier, and they keep you full much longer. Add your own natural sweetness with fresh fruits like banana, berries, a little raw honey, or cinnamon. These boost the flavor and give your body nutrients it can actually use. If this helped you, just wait until you hear the next tip. It's something almost nobody does, and it could be the reason your stomach feels heavy after breakfast. Let's move on. Mistake number 2, not soaking your oats before eating. Here's a secret most people don't know. If you skip soaking your oats, you might be missing out on some of their best health benefits. A lot of people just toss dry oats in a pot, or even eat them raw in smoothies or overnight bowls. But oats naturally contain something called phytic acid. Don't worry about the name. What matters is that it can block your body from absorbing key minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc. That means even if you're eating healthy, your body might not be getting the full benefit. But there's more. Unsoaked oats can be harder to digest, making you feel bloated, gassy, or heavy, and you may never realize oats are the reason why. Here's the fix. Soak your oats for 6 to 8 hours or overnight in water or a milk alternative. For even better results, add a splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. That helps break down the phytic acid and makes the oats easier on your stomach. In the morning, rinse them well and cook like normal, or just mix them into your favorite recipe. You'll notice a smoother texture, less bloating, and more energy that lasts longer. This one small step can totally change how your body feels after breakfast. Ready for the next mistake? It's something people forget all the time, and it's the reason your oatmeal leaves you feeling hungry too soon. Let's get into it. Mistake number 3, eating oatmeal without protein or healthy fats. Oatmeal is great, but eating it all by itself, that's a common mistake, and it's probably why you feel hungry again an hour later. Yes, oats have fiber and good carbs, but without adding protein or healthy fats, your breakfast is incomplete. And here's the truth. When you eat just plain oats, they digest faster, causing your blood sugar to spike, then crash. That crash leaves you feeling tired, shaky, and reaching for snacks way too soon. Worse, this habit can slow down your metabolism and even lead to weight gain over time. So, what should you do? Just add protein and healthy fats to your oatmeal. It's that simple. Try a scoop of Greek yogurt, a splash of almond or soy milk, or even a side of boiled egg whites. For healthy fats, toss in some nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, or a few slices of avocado. These boost energy, help you feel full longer, and support your brain and body. And there's a bonus. Some vitamins in oats are only absorbed when eaten with fat. So you're not just staying full, you're getting more nutrition out of every bite. Now here's a surprising twist. The next mistake is something people think makes oatmeal creamier, but it could actually hurt your digestion and block your body from absorbing iron. Curious? Let's get into it next. Mistake number 4, cooking oatmeal with milk instead of water. This one might surprise you. A lot of people cook their oats with milk thinking it'll make them creamier and healthier, but this could actually be messing with your digestion. Here's why. Oats contain a natural protein, and milk has one too. When they mix, it can be harder for your body to break down. That's why some people feel bloated, heavy, or even get mild stomach aches after eating oatmeal, and they never realize the milk is the problem. But there's another issue. Oats are a good source of iron, and milk has calcium, which blocks iron from being absorbed. That means your body could be missing out on one of the most important nutrients in oats without you even knowing it. What's the better way? Cook your oats in water first. Then, once they're done, add a splash of milk or plant-based milk like almond, oat, or soy for creaminess. This keeps your digestion smooth and lets your body absorb more iron from the oats. Want even more flavor? Add cinnamon, a little vanilla, or a spoonful of nut butter after cooking. Small change, big difference. Now, if you're trying to boost your energy, there's one ingredient your oatmeal is probably missing, and it could be the reason you're still feeling tired. Let's talk about it next. Mistake number 5, skipping vitamin C with your oatmeal. Here's something hardly anyone talks about. Your oatmeal might have iron, but your body might not be using it properly. Why? Because the kind of iron found in oats, called plant-based iron, is harder for your body to absorb. And without the help of vitamin C, most of it just passes through without doing much. Iron is what helps carry oxygen through your blood. If your body doesn't absorb enough, you might feel tired, weak, or have trouble focusing, even if you eat healthy. But here's the easy fix. Add a little vitamin C to your oatmeal. Just a small amount can make a big difference. Try topping your oats with fruits like berries, oranges, kiwi, mango, or even a splash of lemon juice. These don't just taste great. They help your body soak up the iron, giving you more energy and keeping your immune system strong. Think of it like this. Vitamin C is the key that unlocks the power of iron in your oats. Now, speaking of toppings, what you add on top of your oatmeal might seem healthy, but could be turning it into a sugar bomb. That's next, and it's one of the biggest mistakes people make without knowing it. Mistake number 6, adding too much sugar and unhealthy toppings. You might be starting with healthy oats, but what you put on top could be turning your breakfast into dessert. A lot of people add white sugar, honey, maple syrup, or even flavored granola and chocolate chips without thinking twice. Sure, it tastes good, but these sweet toppings spike your blood sugar, then cause it to crash. That crash leaves you tired, craving more food, and throws your body off balance. Too much sugar in the morning can mess with your weight, energy, and even hormones over time. And here's the tricky part. Some toppings look healthy, but really aren't. Store-bought granola, often packed with sugar and oils. Flavored syrups, mostly chemicals. But here's what to do instead. Sweeten your oats naturally. Try banana slices, berries, grated apple, or spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or cocoa powder. Want crunch? Add nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, or a bit of coconut. These options give you fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, not just empty calories. They help you feel full longer and support your body the right way. Mistake number 7, eating the wrong portion size. Last but most important, many people eat either too much or too little oatmeal without realizing it. Just because oats are healthy doesn't mean the same amount works for everyone. If you're not very active, a big bowl can give you more calories and carbs than you need. That can slowly lead to weight gain or sugar crashes. On the flip side, if you're super active or work out a lot, a small portion might leave you feeling weak and underfueled. So what should you do? Pay attention to your own body and lifestyle. A good starting point is about 40 to 50 grams of dry oats, but adjust up or down depending on your energy needs. Finding the right amount helps your body stay energized, satisfied, and balanced, and that's what healthy eating is all about. So now you know, oatmeal can be a superfood if you do it right. Just avoid these small mistakes, and you'll unlock better digestion, more energy, and a stronger, healthier you. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button so you never miss more tips that make your food work for you. Drop a comment with your age and where you're watching from. We love hearing from our amazing community.